Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak juice. Start by deglazing your pan right after cooking your delicious steak. This crucial step involves adding a liquid, such as a splash of red wine, a bit of brandy, or some rich beef stock, to the hot pan. As the liquid heats, gently scrape up all those wonderful brown bits, known as fond, from the bottom. These bits are packed with incredible flavor and are the foundation of your perfect juice. This process takes just about 1 minute. Now, bring that flavorful liquid to a gentle simmer over medium heat. The goal here is to reduce the liquid significantly, concentrating all those wonderful steak flavors. You'll want to let it simmer until it has reduced by roughly 1/2 or even 2/3, depending on your desired intensity. This reduction process usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes, transforming it into a more viscous and aromatic base for your juice. To elevate your juice, remove it from the heat and whisk in a small knob of cold butter, about 1 tablespoon. This adds a beautiful sheen and a velvety richness. You can also stir in some fresh herbs, like a sprig of thyme or a few rosemary leaves, for an aromatic boost. Finally, taste and season your juice with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to perfection. Before serving, you might want to strain your juice through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a perfectly smooth consistency, removing any herb stems or small bits. Your homemade steak juice is now ready to be poured generously over your perfectly cooked steak. This rich, savory sauce will beautifully complement your meal, adding an extra layer of gourmet flavor that truly elevates the dining experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.